Get excited about the 2016 Acura RDX. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of an Acura are offered, including a blind spot monitoring system, front dual-zone air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Acura ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.